Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to start your Canva Pro free trial step by step. I'll even sign up live with you to make sure everything is super clear. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to canva.com. Once you're on the website, go to the plans and pricing section. Here, Canva offers 4 plans: the free plan, the pro plan, the teams plan, and the enterprise plan. For this video, I'll be choosing the Pro plan to start the free trial. On the Pro plan page, you can learn more about the features like access to premium photos, the background remover, and much more. To start your free trial, click on Start Your Free Pro Trial. First, you need to sign up with your Google account. I will click on Continue with Google. Enter your email and password and click Next. Click Continue. Select Monthly Billing and click Next. Choose your payment method. I am choosing credit or debit card. Enter your particulars and click on Get Your Free Trial. Again, this is just a hold, and no charges will be made if you cancel before the trial ends. I am skipping this step because I already have Canva Pro account. When your payment method is verified, Canva will ask how you plan to use Canva Pro. I am choosing Personal. After clicking Next, Canva will give you a quick overview of Pro features like 100 million premium photos and the background remover. You can click Got It to finish the setup. And that's it. Now you have a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro. Remember, if you don't want to continue after the trial, make sure to cancel before the 30 days are up and you won't be charged. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.